how to supercharge your brand new Tesla. So there's a bunch of things that you guys need to know if you just got a Tesla. Tesla superchargers are all over the country. Tesla has a network of over, I think, 25,000 superchargers around the entire world. So it's a pretty big network and they all work pretty much the same. So I'm just gonna basically be telling you guys what I think that you should know about it. So first off, whenever you travel anywhere, you wanna put the address of where you're going into the actual map on the screen, because that will route you to superchargers automatically when the car needs to be charged. This was very, very useful. Today I'm in Sedona, Arizona at their supercharger. I drove up from Phoenix. I left Phoenix with 90% battery, arrived in Sedona with around 46% battery, and I decided to charge because I'm going to be driving around Sedona today. The hotel I'm staying at here actually does have its own charger, but obviously not a supercharger. The supercharger is very easy to get started with. You basically input your credit card information into Tesla's website, and then any supercharger you go to, the card is automatically saved to your Tesla. So when you use that charger, it just automatically charges you. There's no paying for it when you're here. It's relatively cheap. Supercharging, I found it to be anywhere from like $8 to $10 on average, but it can be more depending on how long you're charging your car. If you charge up to 80%, then you actually are going to have a way faster experience at a supercharger. If you charge to 90 or 100%, then it significantly slows down. So here's an example for you. When I pulled up here, my car was set to 100% because that is what I wanted to charge it to at home, even though it didn't quite make it. When I pulled up and I plugged in my car, it said it was going to take 55 minutes to charge to 100%, which is crazy to sit around for 1 hour. So when I lowered it to 80%, it automatically went from 55 minutes all the way to 25 minutes, which is a way bigger difference when you think about time. It's cut in half. You will have a faster charging experience if you charge only to 80%, and it'll be a lot cheaper as well, because if you charge to 100, then the fees go up considerably. You really only need to charge your car to 80%, to be honest, if you're near a charger, and Tesla's batteries last a long time, unless, you know, you're on a road trip. Just for driving around town here in Sedona, 80% is gonna be fine. And like I said, I can charge at the hotel, which is great. So just to show you my screen here, as you can see up toward the top, we have 7 minutes remaining. It's charging at 232 miles an hour. As you can see, it's at 70%, charge limit set to 80%, gives you all that information up there. Okay, so let's talk about supercharging etiquette real quick. Every single Tesla supercharger you go to, you're gonna see numbers on them. So this one is 2A and this one is 2B. So that means that they share power. Basically, you're gonna find that at a lot of different superchargers. Like this one here is 3A, 3B, 4A, 4B. And so proper etiquette is when you pull up and there's only 1 or 2 Teslas at the charger, you're gonna notice most people realize this supercharger etiquette, and they're gonna park separated from each other. They're not gonna park right next to each other. The reason being is because when you have, like, say I had another Tesla using 2B, then charging would be significantly slower for both of us. Whereas if they decide to go to 3A, then it's not going to affect my charging speed or theirs. So just keep that in mind when you go to use a Tesla supercharger. Anyway, guys, if that helped you out at all, definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Also, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, because that will help it rank higher in the algorithm. More Tesla videos on the way, so stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.